Cody here with Mice Hunters. Just kind of want to show you guys what we're doing today. Basically what we're going to be doing is removing the lattice going all the way across here, and then running a 1/2 inch galvanized wire mesh and a 1/4 galvanized wire mesh on the back side of it. That way so it stays hidden. And then we go ahead and we're going to put new lattice back. Something we don't always do, but we're doing it for this customer today. And making sure it looks all good and sealed up. Going all the way around the deck. And
what kind of animals we're getting in this?
This customer today found in the past couple of years about 5 possums that have went underneath the deck, died underneath the deck, and then had to have somebody come out, remove them. And that's why we're here today, is to make sure that they don't get back underneath the deck. And get it also sealed up for mice, because she's also dealing with mice inside the house too as well. Typically there's utilities, possibly even dryer vents that go underneath decks. With a brick home, we're not usually dealing with siding, so we're just dealing with utilities, cutouts, possibly old utilities too as well that used to run underneath too as well. But that's pretty much on the deck.
Woodpeckers had also begun destroying this house. We took care of this problem as well. For an animal barrier, we deploy 2 layers of wire mesh consisting of 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch meshing. It keeps out mice and larger animals, and is buried 12 inches underground to keep animals from digging underneath. Animals were also finding their way under the deck from the top side, so we shut the door on them. Once the new animal mesh barrier was in place and buried, we then installed the new lattice. From our family to yours, here's to another rodent-free home. Mice Hunters, Chicagoland's only true 100% rodent-free guarantee. This'll be the last day you ever live with rodents in your home.
Right up in his nose.
MiceHunters.com